one thing I want to tell you that yesterday exercise 4.3 was written. Actually it was 4.2. So yesterday we have completed exercise 4.2. Today we are going to start exercise 4.3. Okay, clear in your mind? Now here we have to draw the graph. Directly you draw in the graph notebook. Okay, don't draw in your classwork. Here the question 1 is given. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. Question number 1. X plus y is equal to 4. Here different values of x we take and we get the different values for y. Now here first we take x is equal to 0. So in place of x we take 0 plus y is equal to 4. If you take 0 on other side, so 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4. Now second value we take x is equal to 1. Therefore 1 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 4 minus 1. That means 3. Then x is equal to 2. Therefore 2 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 4 minus 2 means value of y we get here 2. Then maximum 4 to 5 values we will take. Minimum 3 values you have to take. Here x is equal to 4 we are taking. So 4 plus y is equal to 4. Take 4 on other side. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Now you make one small table. Here x, y you write down and 4 values whatever we have taken for x, 0, 1, 2, 4. All these values we write against x. Then whatever the values of y we are getting, that is 4 when x is 0, y is 4. X is 1, y is 3. X is 2, y is 2. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. So whatever the values we are getting, we write down against the y. Okay. Now we have to plot the graph. Now in graph paper, at the center you draw this y-axis and vertically and horizontally at the middle you will take this axis. So this is x-axis, this is x dash. Y-axis, y dash, and at the center you take 0. That is called origin. Last time we discussed. Now at the thick lines only you mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This positive this side and negative on this side, like number line. And upper side that you take on y-axis the positive values only on the thick line, not on the thin line. And downwards that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, in this way you mark the numbers like a number line. Now we plot the graph. We take ordered pair 0, 4. So 0 on the x-axis, 4 on the y-axis. This is our first point. Now second point 1, 3. 1 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. So this will be our second point. Third one 2, 2. 2 here in this way we take. Then 4, 0 means it will be itself on the x-axis. Now with the help of the scale you join all the points in this way. So you will get the straight line, and this straight line joining all the points, that is the graph of the equation, the original equation, that is x plus y is 4. This is the graph of this equation. Now got it? Now we take the second question. Now second question is question 1. Clear in your mind? Now second question here we take question 2 of this, that is x minus y is 2. Here same way we take the different values of x. Suppose we take x is equal to 0. Therefore 0 minus y is 2. Therefore minus y is equal to 2. Therefore y is minus 2. Clear? Now here we take x is equal to 1. Therefore 1 minus y is equal to 2. Therefore y minus y is equal to 2 minus 1. Therefore minus y is 1. Therefore y is minus 1. Then we take x is equal to 2. Therefore 2 minus y is equal to 2. Therefore minus y is 2 minus 2. Therefore minus y is 0. Therefore y is equal to 0. Now fourth value we take here, x is equal to, suppose we take 4. Therefore 4 minus y is equal to 2. Therefore minus y is equal to 2 minus 4. Therefore minus y is equal to minus 2. Both the sides you remove the minus. Therefore y is equal to 2. Now for this, first you make the table. Now table will be like this. Table you make in this way. Here you take x and y. 4 values we have taken. You make 4 columns. Now values of x you first of all write down 0, 1, 2, 4. Negative values also you can take as per your choice. Now try to get small values, take small values, that the graph will become easy. Now whenever x is 0, y is minus 2. If x is 1, y is minus 1. If x is 2, y is 0. If x is 4, y is 2. Okay. Now all these value you write in the table. Now we plot the graph for all these values. So today we discuss only first photographs, and then tomorrow we shall discuss other 2 graphs. You have to draw only 2 graphs today, 1 and 2. Now here first we take 0 minus 2. 0 and minus 2 means this point. 1 minus 1 means this point. Then 2, 0, this point. Then 4, 2, that is this point. Now with the help of the scale you join all the points. Okay, all the points you join, and both the sides you put the arrows, and this is the graph for the equation x minus y is 2. So this equation you have to write parallel to straight line. So now you I think you can understand this method and try to plot these 2 graphs directly in your graph notebook. Today only 2 graphs you have to draw. Tomorrow we shall discuss the remaining 2 graphs. Okay.